The Apple Watch Ultra has now been out for over 6 months, and it's a great watch, but the question is it worth your hard-earned cash 6 months later? The Apple Watch Ultra 2 is made out of a full titanium case, which is wonderful because it is a very, very rugged device. And when looking at this device, it's made very well. I love that the crown has this orange ring around it. When you flip it over to the other side, you can see it has a very good speaker and then the action button. Now the action button is really cool because you can set it up to do a couple different things, but it's great when you set it up to do a workout. I know multiple times I've been out riding my bike with the kids, and it's been great to just kind of hit that, start a cycle, and not have to worry about going through a bunch of different menus to get to where I need to be for a workout. Now, one of my favorite things about the Apple Watch is the size of the screen. It's a 49mm screen, which is just a fantastic size. Now, in comparison, it doesn't look like a huge difference, but when it's on your wrist, you really do notice it. Now, just note this, that it doesn't feel bulky when you're wearing the Apple Watch Ultra 2. It does feel quite a bit bigger. I really, really like the Apple Watch Series 9, but the Ultra 2, it doesn't feel like it's just a massive thing on your wrist. And honestly, the reason it's so big, and the best reason, is because it has incredible battery life. When you're using an Apple Watch Ultra for a few days, you can probably go about 2.5 to 3 days without having to charge it back up. It depends on how much you use it, obviously. But the reason why people want to go with the Apple Watch Ultra 2 is because it has an incredible battery life. It'll last you a long time. Say you're somebody who's going out into the wilderness, you want to go on a hike, you do not need to bring kind of an external brick with you. It's going to last multiple days on a hike. I've been hiking up at the Appalachian Trail a couple times. You do get to lean-tos, and sometimes you get to like little hotels, hostel kind of things. And you can charge it back up there. But if you can go 3 or 4 days maybe between a charge, that is a really great device. In comparison, I really need to make sure I charge my other Apple Watch at least once a day. Now, I do want to give a huge shout out to this brand, Sandmark. They make this wonderful titanium watch band, and it is just an absolute tank of a watch band. It looks absolutely gorgeous. This comes in grade 2 and grade 4 aluminum, and I'm just extremely, extremely impressed by the quality of this watch brand. You guys can go ahead and click a link in the description below and check out the watch band. Now, Sandmark did not sponsor this video. They sent me this out just to kind of check it out. But it is such a high quality band. On this channel, I make sure that I don't have sponsors of, garbage stuff. If it's high quality, I'll say yes to a product. But they're not sponsoring this video, so they don't get to see it first. But I will tell you this. In all of my interactions with this band so far, it's just incredibly high quality. It perfectly matches the titanium of the Apple Watch Ultra 2, and I'm always a fan of buy once, cry once. And so if you go out and you buy something like this Sandmark Apple Watch Ultra band, you are gonna be very satisfied with it. So I highly recommend it. Thanks guys for sending that out. You guys are, they were great to work with, just great people. So the Apple Watch Ultra 2 has stood the test of time. It works perfectly. Exactly as it's advertised, but the big question that most people have, and the reason why I want to keep this short, is it's not a huge upgrade from the Apple Watch Ultra 1. When you're looking at the differences between the Apple Watch Ultra 1 and the Apple Watch Ultra 2, it's just a small spec bump. And so the question is, would you be better off using your money, maybe going on Amazon or something like that, and buying an Apple Watch Ultra 1? Right now on Amazon, you can go get the Apple Watch Ultra 2. It costs $799, but you can also go on there and get it for $514 right now. So what do I recommend you do? Well, if you want something that's a little bit newer, that's totally fine, but the Apple Watch Ultra 1 and the Apple Watch Ultra 2, you don't notice a difference at all. And so I would say, if I were you, I would go and get the $514 Apple Watch Ultra 1 from Amazon. I'll make sure to include a link in the description to it, because it's not worth wasting your money for something that's not all that much better. So do I think the Apple Watch Ultra 2 is a very cool watch? It's a fantastic watch. It works well. However, I just don't know that it's worth the extra couple $100 when comparing it with the Apple Watch Ultra 1. Now, at the same time, you are spending quite a bit of money on this. You will get an extra probably 1 or 2 years out of the 2 as opposed to the 1, and so maybe that's worth it for you. But 6 months later, I still think the Apple Watch Ultra 1 was such a great watch. And so I kind of recommend you do that. You do you, man. It's your money. You have fun, doing whatever you need to do. But the Apple Watch Ultra 1 is great. I still like the Series 9 a ton. And I do think if you go with the Apple Watch Ultra 2, it's not going to be bad. Thank you again to Sandmark for sending out this incredible titanium watch band. I'll put a link in the description below. Thank you for sending it. It's just incredibly high quality. So go to their website, check it out. Guys, I appreciate you watching this video. Hit the like button if you found it helpful. If you like these kind of no fluff tech reviews, that's kind of what I specialize in. And if you like this video, go ahead and check this video out here where I did compare the Series 9 with the Apple Watch Ultra 2. I'll see you on the next one.